teacher said. I tell teacher, teacher Jasa, my thumb is hurt. And then teacher said, he called my mama. That's why I'm so very hot. Then I like hot.
Manahat na na may aircon sa iyong room.
I want to have jacket, not like no more.
Ang aircon kay bugnaw dahil mong jacket ka.
Oh, yes, I tell you because I don't want to go to doctor. I want to drink some juice.
Di ba gipadalhan mo tang jacket? No, may jacket imong bag.
Please, I don't want to go to doctor.
Oh, don't drink too much soft drinks. Don't drink too much soda. Para din mayaya ang tummy. And then you eat more vegetables.
Not broccoli.
Not broccoli.
Only the banana, watermelon, grapes, and then the fruits. I like it. But Mama, what we call that, like eating like this?
Grapes?
Dili ba katong like this one, like
Kalabasa?
Dili ka sa basa katong mangga like this. Same look like a lubot. Like that. Dili ba like your face, like this one.
Watermelon?
Dili la watermelon katong na leaves very
Orange?
yummy. Oh, na orange.
No, you kind look like lubot.
It's just like the same.
Okay.
It's just like the same. I see it in a video. You have to put the grapes inside.
Oh, okay.
And make juice.
Oh,
Okay.
like you like some other juice watermelon. You like carrot watermelon. See, lubus. This one can grow in the trees. He can help for your body. He have leaf and a yummy healthy. What we call that ba?
So, may siya fruits, vegetable.
Banana?
Dili banana.
Avocado?
No.
It's your favorite?
Yeah. No.
It's not your favorite?
Yeah.
Guava?
It's not guava.
It's manga?
No, it's not manga. Tanawa.
Ayun.